Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to block bad videos on YouTube. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up the YouTube app. Now go to the bottom right, tap on your profile. Now in here, just go to the top and tap on the gear icon. Now go ahead and tap on General. And in here, make sure that you turn on restricted mode. Okay, just turn this on, and this one helps hide potential mature videos, okay, or potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, and this settings only apply for this device, okay? You might want to do it on all of your devices or even in your computer, okay? So once that's enabled, just go back. Now go back to your home screen. Now once you're in here, once you found a video or a bad video, just tap on three dots, okay? Now tap on report right here. Now go ahead and select the report option. It could be sexual content, violence, abusive content, and some other options. Just tap on one option, okay, and just tap on report. And do not forget, if it's still in here, you can go ahead and tap down, not interested, or block the user. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.